Guys, so today I'm going to show you a basic web scraper in Python and then also uh, image scraping. Um, the web scraper is very simple. It's just this: import request and then response is equal to request dot get, and then the URL. And let's just take this one, yeah. That's what I'm going to use for the image one, but I'll just use it for the web scraper too. And then print response dot text. This is going to print all the source code of the website, like the HTML and stuff. If you look here, you can see there. And that's basically web scraping. Now the next thing I'm going to show you is how we're going to get an image from this website. So first you've got to import two modules. If you don't have them, you just install them. It's this URL lib one, and then from pil import capital I image. You need these two modules, so pil and URL lib. Just pip install them if you don't have it. Okay. Then we're going to go URL lib dot request dot retrieve. Now we're going to get the link from this website. So let's inspect the source code here. Actually, yeah. There. No, I'm looking in the wrong spot. Hold on. There. This is what we need here. This link here. So actually, I'm just going to copy this element. Let's just paste it in here, and then we just get rid of. We need this here. You'll see now. It won't appear so broken. There. This is what we need. The link we needed here. And then we need to add a comma here and then provide the path, which is provided here at the end, to the file. And we need to add inverted commas as well. Okay, cool. Now we need two more lines of code, which is image is equal to image dot open, and then we need this file again, the path for it. And then lastly, image dot show. Okay, if we run this, it will now give us the image from that website. It might take a second though. There you go. So it scraped this image from that website. And now you can use this as a command for something if you have a website or whatever, and I'll show you now how to do that. So all you do is this, and let's just call this dev. Let's call it command one. It's not going to need any parameters. And then we're going to go use underscore input is equal to input. And then we can say enter the secret command. And then we're going to go if user input is equal to, and let's make the secret command $car. Then we will show them the image, and we're going to call the command function. There you go. And then else. Goodbye. Okay. So now we can get this by doing this, and then we can go, I think I named the car. And now it will give us the image. And you can use this on a website or an application you have of some sort. It doesn't really matter. You see, it takes a while. I don't know why it takes so long. But yeah, it gets it there. And I've actually incorporated this into one of the bots that we have on my server. Where is it now? Yeah. For two of them, actually, the car spawns and the gas station spawns. And as you can see here, if they enter a message with $car, which is the keyword, then it downloads the image from that website. I have another separate function further up. And yeah, so you can incorporate it with anything and scrape data or images off a website that you want. It can be anyone. But yeah, thank you for watching.